This is Professor Ripuranjan Sinha, Professor Information and Communication Technology, SHN Subodh PG College, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Promoter and fostering global innovation, peace, and sustainable development. International Development Consultant, Republic of South Sudan. Founder, Innovation Society India, Panchtat Worldwide Business Private Limited. World Academy of Informatics and Management Sciences, Council for Sustainable Peace and Development. It is my immense pleasure to address the gathering of online faculty development program sponsored by Atal Academy on this powerful topic, Internet of Things. First of all, I would like to thanks to chief patron of this powerful event, Dr. Subhas Garg, Honorable Minister, Technical Education, Government of Rajasthan. Patron, Sri Naren Lal Meena, Secretary, Department of Technical Education, Government of Rajasthan. Sri Rajesh Kumar Chauhan, Joint Secretary, Department of Technical Education, Government of Rajasthan, Jaipur. Professor R.A. Gupta, Vice Chancellor, RTU Kota. Professor Amrish S. Vidyarthi, Vice Chancellor, BTU Bikaner. Dr. Manish Gupta, Joint Secretary, Department of Technical Education, Government of Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sri P.C. Makwana, Director, Department of Technical Education, Government of Rajasthan, Jaipur. For the permission of this workshop and this knowledge dissemination program on Internet of Things, which is organizing under the able guidance of none of them, Dr. Sandeep Kumar, Director, Dr. Birpal Singh, Deputy Director Training, Sir Ravinder Kumar Swami, Coordinator from Center for Electronic Governance. The Internet of Things has evolved from the convergence of wireless technology and the Internet. By connecting things in a real world, such as home appliances, industrial equipment, surveillance, camera, monitoring sensors, and actuaries. So before proceeding further, I would like to say one video, then we will proceed further. Are you permitting, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
आपका नेटवर्क धीरे से चल रहा है.
Internet of Things or IoT. As it is becoming an increasingly growing topic of conversation, let's try and understand what exactly is Internet of Things. You may be watching this video on your PC or phone and it is connected to the internet. Internet on your device could be connected through broadband or Wi-Fi. Basically connect any device with an on-off switch to the internet. There is people connection, machine connection, and then we have machine-to-machine connection. Internet of Things or IoT refers to billions of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the internet, collecting and sharing data. As the price of processors and wireless networks go down, technology is becoming cheap and penetration of smartphones are skyrocketing. It has become possible to turn anything into a part of the Internet of Things. It is like adding a level of digital intelligence to the devices that would allow them to communicate with a human being or with another machine. And that's not all. According to reports, there would be more than 26 billion connected devices by 2020. That's a lot of connections, isn't it? But why on earth do we need so many connected devices? Let's take another example. Mike has to go for a morning meeting. His alarm clock wakes him up at 7 a.m. and notifies the coffee maker to start brewing coffee. When he goes to take a shower, The geyser was already notified and warm water was available for Mike, saving his time. Mike's car is connected to his calendar and tells him to take the best route to avoid traffic. If the traffic is heavy, his car might send a text to another party notifying them that Mike will be late. The Internet of Things can be applied to transportation, production, smart cities, and many other projects, saving us energy, time, and reducing waste. We are yet to completely understand how Internet of Things will impact our lives. What would be the opportunities and challenges that will come with it? For now, the best thing that we can do is to educate ourselves about Internet of Things because IoT storm is here to stay and the new rule of the future is going to be anything that can be connected will be connected.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Have you seen the video and you realize that what we are going to discuss through this platform on the IoT? So before beginning of these concepts, we are going to us. So thank you very much. Now, IoT will foster the development of a number of applications that make use of the potential enormous amount of variety of data generated by such objects. Center for Electronic Governance, Jaipur, is an institute of Department of Technical Education, Government of Rajasthan. It's providing a conducive environment for creating industrial employable IT professional with arranging seminar, lectures, vocational training, and industrial relevant software training, as well as faculty development programs regularly. At the same time, it provides a ready-made platform for the interaction between the industry and the trained workforce. Under this series of the fantastic work, online faculty development programs sponsored by Atal Academy on Internet of Things going to organize. I personally like to thank and congratulate for the commendable work for its community development consistently across the Rajasthan. As per the demographic and statistical data of Government of Rajasthan, 75% of people of Rajasthan comes under the rural community and its upgradation is required most needed through its awareness and rural entrepreneurship development program under CEG. For the necessary support, my unconditional support is always there to them of CEG. Today, I am enlightening the topics on the futuristic approach of IoT in the industry. The concept of Internet of Things or IoT has taken our life for a storm over the past few years. The only physical application or object that you connect to the internet where your PC or laptop and your smartphone in the studios. However, with the advent of IoT, multiple devices in the same household, including a number of household appliances, can be now be connected to the internet. Given that it is a new technology and has already begun taking over a large chunk of our life. IoT future scope appears to be bright and varied as discussed by our past speaker recently in the morning. So let's take a look at the field in which we might find IoT being applied in the coming years. There are lots of noise at the moment about the Internet of Things and its impact on the everything from the way we travel and do our shopping to the way we travel and do our shopping to the way manufacturer keep track of inventory. But what is the Internet of Things? How does it work? And is it really that important? In nutshell, the Internet of Things is a concept of connecting any device so long as it has a on or off switch to the internet and to other connected devices. The IoT is a giant network of connected things and people, all of which collect and share data about the way they are used and about the environment around them. That include an extraordinary number of objects of all shapes and size, from the smart microwaves, which automatically automatically cook your food from the right length of the time, to self-driving cars whose complex sensor detect object in their path, to wearable fitness device that measure your heart rate and the number of steps you are taken that day, then use that information to suggest exercise plan tailored to you. There are even connected football that can track how far and fast they are thrown, and recorded those statistics via an app for future training purpose. How it work? Device and object with built-in sensor are connected to an Internet of Things platform, which integrate data from the different devices and applies analytical to share the most valuable information with the application built to address specific needs. This powerful IoT platform can pinpoint exactly what information is useful and what can safely be ignored. This information can be used to detect patterns, make recommendations, and detect possible problems before they occur. For example, if I own a car manufacturing business, I might want to know which optional component, leather seats or alloy wheels, for example, are the most popular using Internet of Things. I can use sensor to detect which area it can showroom are the most popular and where customer linger longest, drill down into available sales data to identify which component are selling fastest, automatically align sales data with supply so that popular item does not go out of stock. The information picked by connected device enables me to make smart decision about which component to stock up on based on the real-time information, which help me save time and money. With the insight provided by advanced analytics come under the power to make process more efficient. Smart object and system mean you can automate certain tasks, particularly when these are the repetitive, mundane, time consuming, or even dangerous. Let's look at some example to see what this look like in real life. Especially scenario 1, IoT in your home. Something goes wrong, your train cancelled, and you have to drive to work instead. The only problem is that it takes longer to drive, and you would have needed to get up at 6:45 a.m. to avoid being late. Oh, and it is pouring with the rain, so you will need to drive slower than as usual. A connected or IoT enabled alarm clock would resist itself based on all those factors to ensure you got to work on time. It could recognize that your usual train is cancelled, calculate the driving distance and travel time for your alternative route to work. Check the weather and factor is slower traveling speed because of heavy rain and calculate when it need to wake up you up so you are not late. It is Supermart. It might even sense with your IoT enabled coffee maker to ensure your morning coffee ready to get when you get up. Another scenario is the IoT in the transport. Having been woken by your smart alarm, you are not driving to work. On comes the engine light. You had rather not head straight to the garage. But what if it is something urgent? In a connected car, the sensor that triggered the check engine light would communicate with other in a car. A component called the diagnostic bus collect data from this sensor and pass it to a gateway in the car. We send the most relevant information to the manufacturer platform. The manufacturer can use data from the car to offer you an appointment to get the part fixed. Send your direction to the nearest dealer and make sure the correct replacement part is ordered so it is ready for you when you show up. Now let's discuss something about the industrial approach of IoT, especially in the various area of industrial approach in the Internet of Things is there in terms of wearable. The introduction of IoT in a wearable, we are able to change it. ये स्क्रीन चेंज हो रहा है ना सर? Okay. The introduction of IoT in wearable technology on the big stage started with the Samsung Gear Watch. However, not only has a wearable technology grown much more sophisticated, but also developed a number of further applications. The facility of tracking your heart health through ECG built into your watch has already started rolling out in some countries. Other features of smart wearable include the capability to take calls, send message, and receive notification on the go. Wearable technology, wearables, fashion technology, smart wears, tech talks, smart wear technology, skin electronics or fashion electronics are smarter electronic devices. Electronic devices with a microcontroller that are worn close to and or on the surface of the skin where they detect, analyze, and transmit information concerning e.g. body signals such as vital sign or ambient data, and which allow in some case immediate biofeedback to the wearer. So wearable device such as activity tracker are the example of the Internet of Things, since things such as electronics, software, sensor, and connectivity are the effectors that enable objects to exchange data, including data quality, through the internet with a manufacturer operator and or other connected devices without requiring human intervention. Wearable technology has a variety of applications which grow as the field itself expands. It appears prominently in the consumer electronics with the popularization of the smartwatch and activity tracker. A popular activity tracker called the Fitbit is widely used in the fitness industry to track calories and health related goals. A popular smartwatch in the market is the Apple Watch. Apart from a commercial usage, wearable technology is being incorporated into navigation system, advanced textile, and healthcare. As a wearable technology is being proposed for the use in a critical application It has to be verified for its reliability and security properties. In the field of the health, wearable technology allow patients to self-monitor their health in real time. The sensor and variant used in the healthcare industry are significantly more sophisticated as a sensor accuracy and precision based on the IoT increase. The share of mutual error in taking medical readings will decrease. Alongside, using IoT device can be associated with a decrease in the cost of a treatment since the same device can be used on score of different patients. Through IoT device, patient essential parameter can be mapped and sent to doctor even from remote location where doctor might not physically be available. Wearable technology is often used to monitor user health. Given that such a device is in close connect with the user, it can easily collect data. It started as soon as 1980, where first wearable ECG was invented. It started as soon as 1980, where first wireless ECG was invented in the last decade. It's so rapid growth in research of textile waste tattoo, patch, and contact lens also. Wearable can be used to collect data on a user health, including heart rate, calorie burned, step walked, blood pressure, release of the certain biochemicals, time spent exercising, seizures, and physical strain too. These functions are often bundled together in a single unit like an activity tracker or smartwatch like the Apple Watch Series 2 or Samsung Galaxy Gear Spot. Devices like these are used for physical training and monitoring overall physical health as well as altering to serious medical conditions such as seizures, empathical imbalances. Certainly, other applications within the healthcare are being exploited, such as forecasting change in moods, stress, and health, measuring blood alcohol content, measuring athlete performance, monitoring how sick the user, long-term monitoring of patient with heart and circulatory problems that records an electrospectrogram and its self-monitoring. Health risk assessment application, including measure of the fertility and risk of age-dependent disease, automatically documentation of care activities. While wearable can collect data in aggregated form, most of them are limited in their ability to analyze or make conclusions based on this effective data. Most are used primarily for general health information. An exception is seizure alerting wearables, which continuously analyzing the bearer's data and make a decision about calling for help. The data collected can then provide doctor with objective evidence that they may find useful in diagnosis. Wearable can account for individual differences, although most just collect data and apply one size fits all algorithm. Today, there is growing interest to use wearable not only for industrial or individual self-tracking purpose, but also within the corporate health and wellness programs. Given that wearable create a massive data trail which employers could repurpose for objectives other than health. More and more research has begun to study the dark side of wearables also. Like Asapita Thompson founded Intelligent Textile Limited, Intelligent Textile, who create woven power bank and circuitry that can use in E uniform, that is electronic uniform for infantry. Epidermal electronics is an emerging field of wearable technologies, termed for their property and behavior comparable to those of the epidermis or outermost layer of the skin. These wearables are the mounted directly on the skin to continuously monitor physicals and metabolic process, both dermal and subdermal. Wireless capability is typically achieved through the battery, Bluetooth, or NFC, making this device convenient and portable all types of wearable technology. Currently, epidermal electronics are being developed in the field of fitness and medical monitoring. Current user of epidermal technology is limited by existing fabrication process. It is current application rely on the various sophisticated fabrication techniques such as by lithography or by direct printing on the carrier substrate before attaching directly to the body. Research into printing epidermal electronics directly on the skin is currently available as a sole study source. The significance of epidermal electronics involve their mechanical properties which resemble those of skin. The skin can be modeled as a bilayer composed of the epidermis having young models of 2 to 80 kPa and thickness is 0.3 to 3 nanometer, and a denim having E that is 140 to 600 kPa and thickness of 0.05 to 1.5 nanometer. Together, this bilayer responded physically to a tensile strain greater than 30%, below which the skin surface and stays and wrinkled without deforming. Property of epidermal electronics mirror those of skin to allow them to perform in the same way. Like skin, epidermal electronics are utilitarian and low models and lightweight enable them to conform to the skin without applying strain. Conformal contact and proper adhesive enable the device to bend and stay without deforming or failing, thereby eliminating the challenge with conventional bulky variables, including measurement, artifact, hysteresis, and motion-induced irritation to the skin. With this inheritance ability to take the shape of skin, epidermal electronics can acquire data without altering the natural motions of behavior of the skin. The thin, soft, flexible design of epidermal electronics resemble that of temporary tattoo laminated on the skin. Essentially, these devices are mechanically invisible to the wearer. Epidermal electronics device may adhere to the skin via van der Waals force of eliminating substances. With only van der Waals force, an epidermal device has the same thermal mass per unit area as a skin when the skin thickness is less than 500 nanometer along with the van der Waals force. The low value of E and thickness are effective in maximizing adhesion because they prevent deformations, induce detachment due to tensions or compression. Introducing an electronegative substance can improve adhesions but will raise the thermal mass per unit area slightly. Several materials have been studied to produce these skin-like properties, including photolithography, patterns, sapphires, gold nanofilms, and pattern doping of silicon nanobrain also. Another important area is the traffic monitoring. Keeping track of traffic is really important, regardless of how short a distance you are looking to travel. In today's smart city, traffic monitoring has become an essential feature. Traffic monitoring systems are the parts of basic digital infrastructure of all new cities. You can already monitor traffic using Google Maps, which can use electronic sensor inside your smartphone to determine the traffic density on a particular road or street. Your traffic was will be brought to an end in the future through sensor and device connected directly to satellite that give you precise traffic information in real time. It's also very important. Another very important area that is widely applicable for the industry, especially IoT, fleet management. Fleet management has grown to be among the major application of Internet of Things. Among the application governing the future scope of IoT, fleet management has a major part to play. The speed at which lorries and ships are traveling can be calculated by fleet managers through sensors located in them. In the future, they will also be able to live stream the condition of valuable being transported and keep track of parameters such as weight, temperature, and moisture content on the go. Another important area is the agriculture. The rise of the IoT technology has led to the rise of the smart farmer concept. While IoT devices for the agriculture are only specially available currently, their coverage is likely to the increase significantly in the future. So IoT device can help farmers to assess the suitability of their soil for cropping. They can measure soil moisture level, pH values, temperatures, and a number of other different characteristics to help them decide which crops to plant and when. Another very important area is the hospitality. The application of IoT in the hospitality industry are immense. From the automated check-in to the automation of tasks such as food ordering, laundry collections, room service, and the likes, the hospitality industry in the coming few years is likely to be flourish with the IoT device all across the board. A number of tasks in a hotel can be made completely contactless with the aid of technology, making hospitality a major future scope of Internet of Things. Another important area is the automotive industry. Automotive industry. So that's the very another important area for the IoT, and that is widely used in the industry field also. Automotive, among of the most target about the future application of IoT is the automotive industry. Self-driving cars contain not just one IoT device, but score of devices that each perform a different task. However, even cars that are not self-driving are increasing the use of IoT device. Such devices include automatic parking, assist system, lane detection system, collision avoidance system, etc. Over the next few years and before the eventual transition to self-driving cars, these devices are only likely to increase. And next very important field is that is smart grid system, where we are seeing that is the photograph that is a clean future, that a customer service, operation, distribution, market, building commissioners, and lots of other devices are linked with each other. That is a very important field, that is a smart grid connection. So smart grid technology is another integral feature of a smart city. Smart grids contain sensor all the way from where the electricity is generated to the end consumer and allow all intermediaries to assess and analyze the amount of power being consumed. It will also allow for effective redistribution of the power automatically to areas that are experiencing shortage. Smart grid technology involves the usage of smart meter used in domestic household and industrial facility and allow the user to analyze their power consumption in depth. Another important area in the industry, that is the water supply. That is a very important asset, because right now clearness of water is a major issue, and lots of research is still going on for the cleanness of water across the world, and people are trying to get the purified water with the all means we have available with all means. Much like smart grid technology, the use of IoT device in the water supply system is also very important. Very important. So much like its cases, the smart water supply system can also allow domestic and industrial user to analyze their water consumption pattern and releases them appropriately. IoT device being used in sewage treatment plants can help understand the constitute of the sewage before and after treatment as well. We are able to identify through this mechanism, and it is widely going on across the world. Another very important area is the entertainment. This is a very important area where widely work on the different sections, especially in the case of water. Big data analytics means lesson data, data 10 research scans, big challenges, insufficient. So IBM is also working on this through this water supply mechanism. And another important area is the benefit of resilience of the entertainment industry. You will see that if we realize that in the 1980s or 90s, and at that technology time, I know every system in your palm, that is constantly working on the futuristic approach of the Internet of Things in industry, especially in the entertainment industry. So Bearable has expanded into entertainment space by creating new way of experiencing digital media. Virtual reality headset and augmented reality glasses have come to exemplify wearable in entertainment. The influence of this virtual reality headsets and augmented reality glass are seen mostly in the gaming industry during the initial days, but are now used in the field of medicine and education also. So we have the virtual reality headset in domestic household, such as Outlets Rift, HTC Vives, and Google Daydream View aim to create more immense media experience. Google Daydream View aim to create a more immense media experience what we are getting from the different source of entertainment industry. Why either simulating a first person experience or displaying the media in the user full field of vision. If we realize telephone, films, and video games. So, telephone, films, and video games, an educational simulator have been developed for this device to be used by working professionals and consumers. We have seen in 2014 Expo, Edith Tang of the Advent Recent his smart headphone. These headphones use virtual retinal display to enhance the experience of the occur rate. Virtual retinal display is a very important, very features we have seen in 2014 Expo. This Tang, especially Tang of Advent Recent, smart headphone that is linked with the headphone use virtual retinal display to enhance the experience of the occurrence. Some augmented reality device fall under the category of wearable. Augmented reality glass are currently in development of several corporations. Snap Incorporation, Spectraless are sunglasses that record video from the user point of view and paired with the phone to post video on Snapchat. Microsoft has also delayed and delved into the business, releasing augmented reality glass HoloLens in 2017. The device explored using digital holography or hologram to give the user a first-hand experience of augmented reality. These wearable headsets are used in many different fields, including military. So wearable technology is also expanded from the small piece of technology on the wrist to appeal all over the body. There is a shoe made by the company Swiftwear that uses smartphone application to predictably change the design display of the shoe. There is a shoe made by the company that is Swift Gear that uses smartphone application to predictably change the design display on the shoe. The shoe is designed using normal fabric but utilize a display along the midsection and back that show a design of your choice. The application was up by 2016 and a prototype for the shoe was created in 2017. Who can design using normal fabric but utilize a display along the midsection and back the show a design of your choice. Another example of this can be seen with the Atari headphone speaker. Atari's Hesbox speaker. If you want to search and if you want to see this Atari headphone speaker, then you will see the very amazing experience to the entertainment industry. This speaker. Atari and AudioVR are developing a face cap with the built-in speaker. Face cap. This cap will feature a speaker built into the underside of the brim and will have Bluetooth capability too. Another very important sequence, Zebra, has released that is earword. In 2018, that cancel the noise around the user and can toggle a setting called here through. This setting takes the sound around the user through the microphone and send it to the user too. This gives the user an augmented sound while they commute, so they will be able to hear their surrounding while listening to their favorite music. Many other devices can be considered entertainment wearables and need only be device worn by the user to experience media. Another important area of the IoT in the industry, that is a gaming industry. Gaming industry has always incorporated new technology. First technology used for electronic gaming was a controller for Pong. The way user game has continuously evolved through the each decades. Currently, the two most common forms of gaming is either using a controller for the video game console or mouse and keyboard for the PC game. Especially in 2012, virtual reality headset were reintroduced to the public. Virtual reality headset were reintroduced to the public. Virtual reality headsets were first conceptualized in the 1950s and officially created in 1960s. The creation of the first virtual reality headset can be credited to the cinematographer Morton Helling. He created a device known as a Sensorma in 1962, especially for the gaming industry. We realized the headset that is introduced in the public in 2012. VR headset were first conceptualized in 1950 and officially created in 1960. The creation of this first virtual reality headset can be credited to the cinematographer Morton Helling. He created a device known as the Sensorma in 1962. The Sensorma was a video game like device that was so heavily that it intended to be held up by suspension devices. There has been numerous different wearable technology within the gaming industry, from the globes to footboards. From the globes to footboards, the gaming space has offbeat invention. In 2016, Sony debuted its first portable connectable virtual reality headset, condemned Project Murphy's. The device was rebranded for the PlayStation, PlayStation in 2018. Early 2019, Microsoft dubbed their HoloLens 2, HoloLens 2. Microsoft early 2019, Microsoft debuted their HoloLens 2. That goes beyond just virtual reality. HoloLens 2 that goes beyond just virtual reality into mixed reality headset. Their main focus is to be used mainly by the working class to help with difficult tasks. These headsets are used by educators too, scientists too, engineers, military personnel, surgeons, and many more as applications. Especially that is HoloLens is widely used by the educators, scientists, engineers, military personnel, and surgeons, and many more at developed countries. Headsets such as HoloLens allow the user to see a projected image at multiple angles. Headsets such as HoloLens 2 allow the user to see a projected image at multiple angles and interact with the image. This help gives a hands-on experience to the user, which otherwise they would not be able to get. Another basic important area is the fashion. So be all very aware about that fashion, and fashion is constantly going in the different area of the applications, and from the smart device, from the smart device, from the gaming industry, from the agriculture. Another basic important area is the fashion industry, and that is widely used through this. Fashionable wear are designed garments. Fashionable wearables are designed garment and accessory that combat aesthetics and style with functional technology. Garment are the interface to the exterior mediated through the digital technology. It allows endless possibility for the dynamic customization of apparel. All clothes have a social, psychological, and physical function too. Especially, all clothes have a social, psychological, and physical function too. However, with the use of technology, this function can be amplified. There are some wearables that are called e-textile. E-textile, these are the combination of the textile fabrics. E-textile, an electronic component to create a wearable technology within the clothing. Electronic component to create wearable technology within clothing. They are also known as smart textile or digital textile. Also known as two as a smart textile and digital textile. Wearables are made from a functionality perspective or from a aesthetic perspectives. When made from a functionality perspective, designer and engineer create wearable to provide convenience to the user. Clothing and accessory are used as the tools to provide assistance to the users. Designer and engineer are working together to incorporate technology in the manufacture of the garment in order to provide functionality that can simplify the lives of the users. For example, through the smartwatch, people have the ability to communicate on the go and track their health. For example, through a smartwatch, people have the ability to communicate on and go and track their health. Moreover, smart fabric have a direct interaction with the user as it allows sensing the customer moves. This helps to address concerns such as privacy, communication, and well-being years ago. Fashionable wearables were functional but not very aesthetic. As of 2018, wearables are quickly growing to meet fashion standards through the production of garments that are stylish and comfortable. Furthermore, when wearable are made from the aesthetic perspective, designers explore with their work by using technology and collaborating with the engineers. This designer explore the different techniques and methods available for incorporating electronics in their design. They are not constant by one set of materials or colors, as these can change in response to the embodied sensor in the apparel. They can decide how their design adopt and respond to the user. If we are talking about another thing, that is in 1967, French fashion designer Pierre Cardin, known for his futuristic design, created. This is not new. In 1967, French fashion designer Pierre Cardin, known for his futuristic design, created a collection of garments entitled Robe Electronique. Robe Electronique that featured a geometric embroidered pattern with the LED, that is the light emitting diodes. Perere Garden unique design were featured in the episode of the Gestons aimed so were on the man. Characteristic demonstrates how here luminous Prairie Martin dress work by plugging it into the mains. An exhibition about the work of Perry Cadian was recently on the display at the Watling Museum in New York. We are able to see that. Especially the same year in 1968, the Museum of Contemporary Crafted in New York City held an exhibition named Body Covering, which presented the infusion of technological wearable with fashion. Some of the projects presented were clothing that change temperature and party dress that light up and produce noise, among others. So in these cases, the designer from the exhibition constantly embodied electronics into the cloth and accessory to create these products. As a 2080, a fashion designer continued to explore the method in the manufacturing of their design by pushing the limits of the fashion and technology. House of Holland and NFC Ring, McClure, also known as a NFC Ring, in partnership with the House of Henry Holland and Visa Europe Collab, showcase an event entitled that the Castlets of the Catawar at the Collins Music Hall in England. Celebrity walking through the event, which make purchase for the first time in the history from the wearable device using McClure NFC ring by tapping the rings of the purchase terminal. So cute circuits are also very important things that were developed for the wearable concept in the entertainment industry, that is a future circuit, that is also pioneered the concept of interactive and app control session. While the creation in 2008 of the Galaxy Trace, parts of the Paramount collection of the Museum of Science and Industry in Chicago, United States of America, that is the Galaxy Trace, that was the creation 2008 of the Galaxy Trace, the parts of Paramount collection of the Museum of Science and Industry in Chicago, United States of America, and 2012 on the T. Sotos SATOS. No, that is called infinity SATs. Infinite SAT. So cute circuit fashion design can interact each other and change color, providing the wearer a new way of communicating and expressing their personality and style too. Cute circuit design have been worn on the red carpet by celebrity such as Katy Perry. Means we will see that celebrity, that is Katy Perry. They also every time they use that catcher circuit design are worn to the red carpet by celebrities such as Sia and Nicholas signatures also, and are parts of the permanent collection of the museums of the fine arts in the Boston, that is projected Jacquard. It's another project Jacquard they created by the Niccolo synthesizer. Project Jacquard, a Google projected LED by the Ivan Poprove, has been combating clothing with the technology. Google collaborated with the Levi Strauss to create a jacket that has touch sensitive area that control a smartphone. And cuffed link are removable and charged in the USB port. Another very important feat we have seen that Intel and Cormac. Intel partnered with the branded Cormac. Intel partnered with the branded and brand that is known as the Cormac to create a sports that respond to change in the body of the user. With the brand Combat to create a sports bra that respond to change in the body of the user, as well as a 3D printed carbon fiber dress also. Carbon fiber dress also. That change color based on the user adrenaline level. Intel also partnered with the Google and Tag Heuer to make smartwatch. Smart fabric and 3D printing. Smart fabric and 3D printing have been incorporated in huge fashion by the designer Erich Van Herpen. So in these cases, Van Herpen was the first designer to incorporate 3D printing technology of rapid prototype typing into the fashion industry. The Belgian company Materialize NV collaborates with here in the printing of the design. Manufacturing process of e-textile, there are several methods which company manufacture e-textile from the fiber to garment and the insertion of electronics to the process. One of the method being developed is when stretchable circuit are printed right into fabric using conductive ink. So conductive ink use metal fragment in the ink to become electrically conductive. Another method would be using conductive thread or yarn. This development includes the coating of non-conductive fiber like polyester paste with the conductive materials, such as a metal like gold or silver, to produce coated yarns or in order to produce an e-textile. Common fabrication technique for e-textile include the following traditional methods like the embroidery, sewing, weaving, non-bobbing, knitting, spinning, braiding, coating, and printing and laying. That is a very important field for the IoT. So another very important area of IoT linked with that, if we release that the scans, that is a one of the device. If we are going to see that, I'm going to maximize the uses of IT, especially in the military functions. You mean that is we are constantly widely used that is a fantasy equipment, that is a Sangam Defense Security Company, they have made these devices and such types of IoT application you will see. So here retrieval screen for firing and night vision, that's widely used by the devices for the IoTs. Night vision camera, that's also linked with these devices. Bone vibrated headband, bone high vibrated headband, and another important is the bulletproof protections devices, electronic vest. See this how, where, and these types of devices going to raise in the form of wearable of Internet of Things. Radio and GPS enabled devices that is leaks, and another part is the computer screen. Modernized famous day and night firing camera, including day and night fighting camera with the that wearable devices. Another part, the beard batteries, remote control keypad, radio camera is also inbuilt the devices, and central computer included in this wearable devices. High performance fabric which link with the various bullet friendly pads that are linked with the flame. They are manufacturing they constantly, and we should be happy Putin is arriving in India, and they are also signing a MOU with the government of India, and Honorable Prime Minister is ready to sign lots of 2007 AK 2007 uh, uh, mm, uh, guns for that. So another, that is a military, for the parts of military, especially wearable technology within the military range from the educational purpose, training exercise, and sustainable technology too. The technology used for educational purpose within the military are mainly wearable that track a soldier vitals. By tracking a soldier heart rate, blood pressure, emotional status, because very important thing is that, because if our military is not counted by the emotional, then they are not going to fight in the battles. So help the research and development team best help the soldiers. As per the reports, according to the chemist Matt Copric, he has started to enhance a soldier lethality by collecting different biorecognition receptors. Chemistry, Matt Patrick, he has started to enhance a soldier lethality by collecting different biorecognition receptors. By doing so, it will eliminate emerging environmental threats to the soldier. Biorecognitions. So, with the emergence of the virtual reality, it is only natural to start creating simulation using virtual reality. This will be better prepare the users for whatever situation they are training for. In the military, there are combat simulation that soldier will train on. The region the military will use VR to train a soldier. It's because it is a most interactive immersion experience the user will feel without being put in the real situation. Recent simulation include a soldier wearing a shock belt during a combat simulation. Each time they shoot the belt, with, will release a certain amount of electricity directly to the user skin. Each time they are shoot, the weight will increase a certain amount of electricity directly to the user skin. This is to simulate a sword bound in the most humane way possible. There are many sustainable technology that military personnel wear in the field, one of which is the boot insert. This insert gauge how soldiers are carrying the weight of their equipment and how daily terrain factor impact their mission planning optimization. This sensor will not only help the military plan the best timeline, but will help keep the soldier at a best psychological or mental health too. In nutshell, IoT is bound to be an effective technology, especially in nutshell, IoT is want to be an effective technology in the future, and IoT enabled device a be likely to be all pervasive from the industry to household. The future scope of IoT is bright and varied, and it's only a matter of time before the above application of the technology are realized. What we discuss today, like if we are talking, we have already discussed that in the area of the IoT, nation the bearable systems is a very important thing. Health is a very important thing. I have already shared the some scenario with you, that is, imagine you wake up at the 7 a.m. every day to go to work. Your alarm clock does the job of waking you just fine. That is until something goes wrong. Your train cancelled and you have to drive to work instead. The only problem is that it takes longer to drive and you would have needed to get up 6:45 a.m. to avoid being late. Oh, and it pouring with the rain. So you will need to drive slower than usual. A connected or IoT enabled alarm clock would reset itself based on all these factors to ensure you got to work on time. It could recognize that your usual train is cancelled, calculate the drive distance and travel time for your alternative routine to work. Check the weather and factor is slower traveling speed because heavy run, and calculate when it need to wake up so you are not late. It is a super smart, if might even synchronize your IoT enabled coffee maker to ensure our morning coffee is ready to go when you get up. Another scenario we have already discussed, that is the IoT in a transport. Having been worked by your smart alarm, you are not driving to work on comes to the engine light. You had rather not head straight to the garage, but what if it's something urgent? It is connected car and sensor that triggered to check engine light would communicate with other in the car. A component called the diagnostic bus collect data from this sensor and pass it to the gateway in the car. We send the most relevant information to the manufacturer platform. The manufacturer can use data from the car to offer you an appointment to get the part fixed. Send your direction to the nearest dealer and make sure that the correct replacement part is ordered. So it is ready for you when you show up. So in these cases, we have already discussed the bearable technology is a very important field with the IoT devices that is widely used in the health sector and agriculture sectors and traffic monitoring centers. Fleet management is also important factor. Research and agriculture part. That's where smart means. Try to imagine when we are copying and processing the food, and the farmer are just working through the time to time waters and another facilities, because especially in Tanzania, such types of farmer, I have shown that they are working through the IoT based farming. So here in India, very less amount of people are using such types of skill. We need to create lots of awareness, because IoT is the future generation, current generation technology too, but it is costly right now. As hospitality industry is also lots of collection, laundry collection, room service, and likes of hospitality industries. Automotive industry means if any defect happen in your car, you just insert in the computer system. They will check where is defect, and they will mechanics just go and do the some activities, and system will open. Otherwise mechanic not required, because all systems to be operated through the computer system. Automate smart grid are also very important things we have already discussed. Water supply is widely used by IoT. Entertainments and virtual reality headset, television, film, and video game, that is widely applicable area. The copy spaces, gaming industry is a booming through this IoT experience. Fashion industry is also booming through the IoT experience. All clothes, that e-cloth, e-garment are going increasing, and lots of other devices. We have already lots of projects. We have discussed e-textile, especially in the military. Wearable technology within the military range from the educational purpose also, training exercise and sustainable technology. The technology used for the educational purpose, when the military are the mainly wearable that track a soldier vitals by tracking a soldier heart rate, blood pressure, emotional state, help the research and development team help the soldier. So in these cases, in nutshell, IoT is a bound to be an effective technology in the future. An IoT enabled device re- a likely to be a all pervasive from industry to household. The future scope of IoT is bright and varied, and it is only a matter of time before the discussed application of the technology are realized. If we really want to learn lots of other devices and cases like that, so with the word, all the biggest with the words before that, before closing that, I would like to just share the my slide, what we started before starting the event. And
We have all heard of the term Internet of Things or IoT. As it is becoming an increasingly growing topic of conversation, let's try and understand what exactly is Internet of Things. You may be watching this video on your PC or phone and it is connected to the internet. Internet on your device could be connected through broadband or Wi-Fi. Simply put, this is the concept of basically connecting any device with an on-off switch to the internet. There is people-to-people connection, there is people-to-machine connection, and then we have machine-to-machine connection. Internet of Things or IoT refers to billions of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the internet, collecting and sharing data. As the price of processors and wireless networks go down, technology is becoming cheap and penetration of smartphones are skyrocketing. It has become possible to turn anything into a part of the Internet of Things. It is like adding a level of digital intelligence to the devices that would allow them to communicate with a human being or with another machine. And that's not all. According to reports, there would be more than 26 billion connected devices by 2020. That's a lot of connections, isn't it? But why on earth do we need so many connected devices? Let's take another example. Mike has to go for a morning meeting. His alarm clock wakes him up at 7 a.m. and notifies the coffee maker to start brewing coffee. When he goes to take a shower, the geyser was already notified and warm water was available for Mike, saving his time. Mike's car is connected to his calendar and tells him to take the best route to avoid traffic. If the traffic is heavy, his car might send a text to another party notifying them that Mike will be late. The Internet of Things can be applied to transportation, production, smart cities, and many other projects, saving us energy, time, and reducing waste. We are yet to completely understand how Internet of Things will impact our lives. What would be the opportunities and challenges that will come with it? For now, the best thing that we can do is to educate ourselves about Internet of Things because IoT Storm is here to stay and the new rule of the future is going to be anything that can be connected will be connected.
So, with this word, all the biggest technological invention created by man, the aeroplane, the automobile, the computers, or Internet of Things, or future technologies also, say little bit about his intelligence, but speak volume about his laziness. I would, I would like to conclude my lecture. If any questions, then welcome. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Audience, have any questions? Audience, have any questions regarding that? So that's the end of the part. So that is a future technology we are discussing, and future technology is going very important field, especially the Internet of Things has evolved from the convergence of wide range technology and the internet by connecting things in the real world such as home appliances, industry equipment, surveillances, camera, monitoring, sensors, and actuators. The IoT will foster the development of the number of applications that use a potentially enormous with a variety of data generated of such objects. So this is the self-driving cars is going to world through the IoT. You'll see that self-driving cars may automatically you suggest give the location and car will drop as per the calendars or as per the areas. That is a future sport that, and another is the wearable devices. You may check that a connected football is are very important things that lots of things in wearables. The parts of the wearable technology we have already discussed means we are able to see that which types of system we can use and accelerate through this mechanism. Smart transport, that is the transport system is widely used through that, and live storm over the past, that only physical appliance or object that you could connect to the internet, where your PC or laptop and your smartphone in the stores here. With the advent of IoT, multiple devices, same holders, include number of household and like that. We have already discussed the various wearable devices. The IoT wearable devices, especially tracking for the heart and heart through ECG built into your watch, and already started rolling out in some countries. So in these cases, the lots of other devices are there, especially that is the monitoring by the health information about that you need the injection or not. If what will happen in the future if doctor will find that you need the injection? Oh, what is going on? While wearable technology allow patients to self-monitor their health in real time, the sensor and variant used in the healthcare industry are significantly more sophisticated sensor accuracy decision based on the IoT, increase the share of mutual errors and like that. So research is continuing going on that areas. Traffic monitoring system is also working on the 4G and the research of 5G, 6X. So keeping track on the traffic is really important, regardless of the how short a distance you are looking to travel. In today's smart city, traffic monitoring has become an essential features. Traffic monitoring system are the part of the basic digital manufacturing of the all new cities. You can already monitor traffic using Google Maps, which use electronic sensors inside your smartphone. So determine the traffic density on the particular road of the street, your traffic bob with the route on enough features and like that. So fleet management is another important area. It's an increase that through this lots of other speed amongst future scope IoT speed discoveries lobbies, seats, tables, calculate and smart forms. The concept is also going to increase, and that is the hospitality. It is widely used through mobiles. All things is just run. So another cases is that automotive industry are there, garbage collection system, garbage monitoring systems, and so using the lots of things like that. Smart grid system is also working to part of that. So water supply and various areas, smart grid technology, the use of this water system, and another the gaming industry, and we have already discussed with that on wearable devices, and at last that is the military system is widely used through these IoT devices. So thanks for watching, and thanks for parting things. If you any questions, welcome. So thanks for watching, thanks for listening patiently, and again I like to thanks to the organizer who constantly provide efforts toward the successful conduction of this important event on the Internet of Things. That is the future of environment and future of technology too. So again, I'm going to share this video. Then you realize that.
We have all heard of the term
Thank you.
Internet of Things or IoT. As it is becoming an increasingly growing topic of conversation, let's try and understand what exactly is Internet of Things. You may be watching this video on your PC or phone and it is connected to the internet. Internet on your device could be connected through broadband or Wi-Fi. Simply put, this is the concept of basically connecting any device with an on-off switch to the internet. There is people-to-people connection, there is people-to-machine connection, and then we have machine-to-machine connection. Internet of Things or IoT refers to billions of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the internet, collecting and sharing data. As the price of processors and wireless networks go down, technology is becoming cheap and penetration of smartphones are skyrocketing. It has become possible to turn anything into a part of the Internet of Things. It is like adding a level of digital intelligence to the devices that would allow them to communicate with a human being or with another machine. And that's not all. According to reports, there would be more than 26 billion connected devices by 2030. That's a lot of connections, isn't it? But why on earth do we need so many connected devices? Let's take another example. Mike has to go for a morning meeting. His alarm clock wakes him up at 7 a.m. and notifies the coffee maker to start brewing coffee. When he goes to take a shower, the geyser was already notified and warm water was available for Mike, saving his time. Mike's car is connected to his calendar and tells him to take the best route to avoid traffic. If the traffic is heavy, his car might send a text to another party notifying them that Mike will be late. The Internet of Things can be applied to transportation, production, smart cities, and many other projects, saving us energy, time, and reducing waste. We are yet to completely understand how Internet of Things will impact our lives. What would be the opportunities and challenges that will come with it? For now, the best thing that we can do is to educate ourselves about Internet of Things because IoT storm is here to stay and the new rule of the future is going to be anything that can be connected will be connected.